Good morning. We are making a liver oil soap. We just make liquid soap out of the soap residue. Now we are going to measure the oils, and we are going to start with the coconut oil. So first, I clean up the station, took the lightings, I put them away, and I changed the towel to the rack to another rack here, and I'm just going to wash my hands so that we can get started. Because I don't use gloves to make those things, I like to make sure my hand is clean. And you know, I just prefer, besides being safe when I'm around line, I like to use my hand and clean it as much as possible, because it's not when you wear gloves that you are really practicing hygiene. Because if you are touching a lot of things without gloves, the gloves is not clean, you know. So I like to just use hand to do a lot of things, and just make sure my hand is constantly washed. So I'm just going to use these clean rags to wipe it, and I'll wipe my bar as well, and we can get started here. So my coconut oil is kind of hard oil, so we will melt it on the stove. But first I need to open it. And I don't know, I didn't write down what I measured for lye. Lye was 16 cc. We needed 16 cc 8. And I measured 16 cc. So that means the soap is going to be on the mild side. That's what I like about my soap, because each time I make it, it's different, you know. I just make sure my lye is lower than what is required, not higher. I put this in the trash later, but I will need more than that. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to get a good spoon here. Probably this might help us. I need something that is very hard to work with. So let's see if this will help. Probably. So I'm going to, I don't need my gloves. I don't need my goggle. This is 0 right now. I'm going to put this on it. Coconut oil, we need 50 ounces. So let me put this to 0 here. Now let's get measured. Let's get going. And I will need another spoon that I don't have here. Just going to get eating spoon here. Those things is okay if you are using your kitchen utensil, but it's good to have a pad just for soap. At least that's what I do. We need 50 ounces, so it will be a while. With keeping the oils in the basement where it's cooler than up here, it stays solid quite a bit. And I'm bending the spoon. It's just that hard. And you have to be very careful, because you can get a car with the edges of this container. And container like this, I like to recycle it. Like, that's what I will put probably the liquid soap in. Sometimes I'll use my ball jar, canning jar, but I like to repurpose this. I might use it like to store kids' toys like Legos or something like that, or anything around the house. In fact, I've been collecting them so that I can put nails that we have in our, I don't know, like, you know, when you have an area you keep your tools to fix things around the house. We have some nails, screws. I think I'll put them in different containers like this. Easy to locate what type of nails is in it, and reorganize that area because that area is now organized. So we have about, look here, we have more than what we need. We have 5115. So I was not even looking at it. I thought it won't be, I'll need more than just one container. So 1570 or 5070. So let's get it to 50. 5035. 5010. 50. Let me show it to you. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. But that's that. So we have 50. And let me write it down here. So I'm going to take it and just scrape those things back into the container. And I'll wash this and put it away. We have our pot there. I'm going to turn it on. Probably this one. So and as you can see, scrape it all off. And I'm just going to let it melt here. And I can just put it on medium heat. I can show you what it's doing here. You can see that it starts melting. So now let's measure the olive oil. Don't know for how long we have been. Okay, 9 minutes. Let's see if we can measure the olive oil very quickly. We still have our pot here. It's 0 right now. I need 62 ounces of olive oil. Seems like I'm having an issue opening this. Okay. Because it's new, I'll take this off. Extra virgin olive oil, we need 62 ounces. It's 0 here. Let's get going here. In the meantime, the coconut oil will continue to melt. $45 ounces so far. $53, $55, $58, $59, CC1, CC2. Did you see it? 62. We are going to write it down as well. $62 ounces. Let's check on our oil here. You can see that the oil is almost done melting. So at this stage, I can turn the heat off. And then I'll just continue stirring it until it's completely liquid before I'll put the coconut oil in it, because the coconut oil is going to cool it off. So I prefer to let the solid melt here. And what I'm going to do in the meantime is put my oils away. I put the light materials, the lightings, dish bulbs and things away. I'm going to put the oils away as well while this is melting, and then we'll right back and take it from here. Thank you for watching. I'm Hafia Junior Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina's Soap. Now website is ninasoap.com. We like to make our own soap. I sell some online as well. We are running low in soap, and I thought it would be a good time to just video what I'm making it, to show you how I make my soap. I like to use few ingredients as much as possible, and this one we are just going to use olive oil and coconut oil. It's going to be our olive oil soap. It's going to be foamy because coconut oil is quite high in it as well. Thank you.